Hey there, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about link building strategies, boosting your rank on Google, and using internal backlinks on your website to accomplish those goals. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus, and today's focus is on SEO. And of course, you can see here we're on the 30minutemarketing.net blog. Tons of blog posts, and of course I have pages as well. And one of the issues that I've done, or that's occurred to me over the course of building this blog that I haven't kept up with, is internal backlinking. Which the question comes up, how much link juice or how much weight does Google put on backlinks as far as internal links from your blog post to blog post, or from your pages to blog post, or pages to pages? And that's one of the things I want to address today. And I'm going to be doing that with a plugin called Link Whisperer. I'm going to install that here. So this is the first in a series of this, where we look at 30minutemarketing.net's ranking for a keyword and see if we can actually get that keyword to boost or to make it to the front page. I believe it's currently on page 2 or 3 right now. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look at that as well inside an incognito tab. But before we get started, let's just hop over to Neil Patel's Uber Suggest tool and take a look at 30minutemarketing.net and where it's ranking. So here we are on Uber Suggest, and of course we go to Overview. We'll just go ahead and we'll type in 30minutemarketing.net. We'll go ahead and we'll do a search. That search will come back, and you can see the domain score here is a 1, which obviously is the lowest score possible. It's not really the issue we're looking at right now. You can see I have 157 backlinks, but I do currently rank for 365 organic keywords. Now, the thing to remember, or the thing that you need to know or understand about 30minutemarketing.net when I first created it, it was just a place for me to keep information as well as refer people on my email list, as well as my Facebook group, to interesting articles that I wrote. I really didn't think about doing SEO at the time, but since the information's out there and up on Google and it is being indexed, we might as well start taking a look at it and get serious about it. Also use this as a reference point to drive traffic from sites like Quora, which is always good to get organic traffic or free, quote unquote, free traffic from Quora by answering questions. So you can see here the organic monthly traffic, and you can see some of the SEO keyword rankings. You can go down here and you can see some of the top SEO pages as well as the SEO keywords. And the one we're going to focus on today is what is PLR. Before we take a look at what is PLR, and of course you can see here position number 9, estimated visits is only 4. So while it is a low volume of estimated visits, it still is something that I could possibly rank for, so that's why I'm going to try it. And PLR being one of my favorite things here on 30minutemarketing.net, I think it's a good idea for 30minutemarketing.net to be on the first page if I can get it there for what is PLR. So before we do that, let's take a look at Google and just ask it the question, how internal links help Google SEO. As you can see the search that I typed in right here. And you can see from Yoast.com, internal links also connect your content and give Google an idea of the structure of your website. So it's not just about implementing them to get ranking. You're also allowing, or you're helping Google by creating a structure of your website. Because they say here, just like Yoast says, they can establish a hierarchy on your site, allowing you to give the most important pages and post more link value than other less valuable pages. So using the right internal linking strategy, and that's the key here, is getting the internal linking strategy correct, will boost your SEO. And of course, if you were to go here, you see Moz.com, you see Backlinko, you see Ahrefs, you see Neil Patel, all talking about internal linking on your site. Actionable guides, the complete guide to internal linking for SEO. So this is an important topic, an important subject, and it is something that you should be paying attention to. And like I said, on 30minutemarketing.net, it's something that I have let slide through the cracks. Therefore, that's why when I heard about this new tool called Link Whisperer, which is right here, building smart internal links just got easier, a revolutionary WordPress plugin to speed up the process of internal linking and help you rank better in Google, I thought that this was the perfect time for me to test this, because I saw this, I'd seen it in the past, and this is from the maker of Longtail Keywords Pro. As you can see here, this is the sales page, and of course it is a sales page, and it does what sales page does. It makes you want to buy it. But the point is I'm going to test it. I'm going to show you here what it does in this first video. You're going to see here, you can go through it, and you can see the simple install. It's easy to use. You can continuous suggestions, time saver, powerful reporting, improved rankings. Of course, this is what we're going after. And we're going to install it real quick, and we're going to get started. And of course, you can see the 3 different price levels right there. But the key and the point of this video right here is I want to install the plugin and show you and take a look at where I currently rank for a keyword and see if internal linking on the blog posts and pages that I have for that keyword gives any link juice or SEO assist to my website, and see if we can bump up those rankings just with internal linking. One of the questions that comes up and that I had when looking at Link Whisperer was answered right here. What if I want to remove links after I make them? Internal links added with Link Whisperer act just like any other link on your site. You can remove the links within your editor just like you would any other link. And also, if I uninstall the plugin or cancel Link Whisperer, what happens to all my links? All your links remain active even if you cancel or uninstall the plugin. So that's what I want to know, and I want to make sure you understood that too. And with that, let's hop right into getting the Link Whisperer plugin and get it installed on 30minutemarketing.net. So once you purchase it, you'll get a welcome to Link Whisperer with your activation details, and you simply just download and activate Link Whisperer plugin. You can see the download link here. It was downloaded. It's a zip file. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hop over to 30minutemarketing.net blog, the WordPress install, and install the Link Whisperer plugin. All right, so here we are on 30minutemarketing.net, and you can see we're inside the plugins. We're going to go ahead and click Add New. We're going to go ahead and upload a plugin. We're going to choose that file. It is right here, Link Whisperer Premium. We're going to go ahead and open that zip file. We're going to go ahead and install now. You can see here, unpacking the plugin, installing the plugin. Plugin installed successfully. Go ahead and activate the plugin. So if you scroll down, you can see here, Link Whisperer has been installed. You can see here on the left-hand side, you can see Link Whisperer. Go ahead and click on Link Whisperer here to set the options, to check the options, and most likely add the license key that we saw in the email. And here we go, license is not active. We'll go ahead and we'll paste in that license key, and we will activate our license. Now that license is active, congratulations, your Link Whisperer license key has been confirmed, and Link Whisperer is now active. Now if you scroll down here, you can see report, settings, and license. We'll go ahead and click on report just to start. And you can see here, no items found, published into inbound links, outbound internal links, outbound external links. So we'll go ahead and click on settings and see what's there. And here we have our settings, open links in a new tab, selected language, words to ignore, post types, posted page, number of sentences, save settings. Okay, now that we've looked at all the settings, report and settings, of course nothing to report in the settings we have set. We just use the defaults and we enter our license. Let's go ahead and go to post. And of course, I mentioned that what is PLR is what we're going for. So let's go ahead and look for posts that have PLR in the title. And you can see here we have how to use PLR content, what are the most profitable, how to profit, what is PLR content, and what can you do with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We'll go ahead and we'll click edit. As you can see here, what is PLR content and what can you do with it. You're currently using Thrive Architect to edit this content. So that's just something to take note of. If you're using the WordPress editor, you will see the way yours looks. Mine's going to look a little different. But as you can see, scroll down here, you're going to see Link Whisperer suggested links. And if you click on this, it will minimize it or expand it. And you can see here some options, but what you can see here is you can see the phrase. Keep reading if you want to learn more about what PLR content is, and the link to the post. You can see all the suggestions alongside with the anchor text. The anchor text, of course, is underlined, highlighted in blue, and it links to the article or the blog post or the page. As you can see, there's tons and tons of options here, different places, different anchor texts, places and sentences, paragraphs inside of the post here that we can use and we can add these links to. So we need to do whatever makes sense. Of course, we can just go ahead and click a few of these, and we'll do that in a second. But first, I want to take a look at what is PLR. So you can see currently where we're ranking, just to understand and know where we are and what we're doing. So then when I make the next video in this series, you can see and understand, and maybe we can see what, if anything, has happened or occurred for our what is PLR. Of course, this may not be the most scientific way, but it's just a way I'm going to test just to see how it goes. And before we do that, I'm just going to ask Google what time is it. As you can see right here, it's 1:41 p.m. Tuesday, February 25th, 2020. Just so when you're watching this video, you have a point of reference. And of course, you can see here I am in Arkansas. So if you go over, and of course we're in an incognito tab here in Google, and I'm asking what is PLR, and you can see the first page here, and I'll just scroll down through here, and you can see some of the sites that are ranking, and we'll hop over to number 2, which is where you would hide a dead body if you want to know when to find it, on the second page of Google. And of course, on the second page of Google, 1, 2, 3 down is 30minutemarketing.net. What is PLR content and what can you do with it? The goal, of course, is to get this back or get this over on page 1. And of course, again, like I said, may not be the most scientific way to go about it. Of course, you can use all the tools that you want if you want to pay for them. What I'm doing here is I'm just simply doing this in the most simplistic way with the tools that I have readily available, which is using Google and the search engine and looking at what is PLR and looking at a current article that I have ranking on the search engine and saying, okay, what is PLR content and what can it do with me, and knowing that I don't have any current internal links on that page. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to look and say, okay, what is PLR? What is PLR content, and how can I link to it? So you can see here, keep reading if you want to learn more about PLR content. We'll go ahead and we'll click that one. It's important to understand PLR content, content less you add to it, PLR content, ways to build content for a blog, PLR article and divide it up daily, more PLR content. Of course, these anchor texts may not be the best, but we're just trying to use the tool straight out of the box the way it is. I'll go ahead and we'll just pick the first one and the last one and go ahead, because let's see, this is going to link to two different articles, how to use PLR with the anchor text PLR content and the anchor text PLR content, how to profit from PLR. And we're going to go ahead and update that post. And as you can see, that's updating in the background there. It says here post was updated. So let's just go back to the incognito tab, open this in a new tab and see what it looks like. So now you can see the blog post here, what is PLR content and what can you do with it. Now you can see, keep reading if you want to learn more about PLR content, and of course it's added the anchor text, or it's linked the anchor text PLR content to how to use PLR content. And if you were to keep scrolling down, you can see there's no other internal links because I've never built any internal links on any of these pages or blog posts. And if we scroll down towards the bottom, you're going to see that last one that was automatically built with Link Whisperer right there, how to profit from PLR content. So now I have those internal links, which of course, again, like we did when we looked at the search, people are talking about it and writing about it. That is the importance of internal links and how internal links can help Google SEO. Again, is it going to immediately jump you to the first page of Google if you're not already there? Highly doubtful, but is it going to hurt? Most definitely not. Again, we're measuring this using the free tool of Uber Suggests. What is PLR? Currently, volume, position number 9, estimated visits are only 4, using this free tool from Neil Patel. Go ahead, we installed Link Whisperer like you saw there. We went in, the Link Whisperer plugin is recommending these internal links, as you can see right here, and all we had to do was click them, update the post, and the post was automatically updated with those internal links. Now we can go back down to Link Whisperer and we can check out the report. And you can see here now that there is some data in here to take a look at. You can see inbound internal links, outbound internal links, and you can see all the links that were added, the dates the posts were published, and all that good stuff. And we're just going to let this set, let Google crawl it, let Google think about it, let Google crunch the data the way they do, and we'll get back to that. And of course, if you want to check out Link Whisperer, check out the link in the description for access to Link Whisperer and try this on your blog. If you have tons of content and you've never, like me, got around to doing internal linking, and you know that you need to be doing it because Google likes it and looks for it and they appreciate it, the help, that way they know, understand, and know your structure, then take a look at Link Whisperer. Again, link in the description. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start building your online business today. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this one, and stay tuned for video number 2 in this series, number 3, number 4, as I do them, and let's see what we can do with 30minutemarketing.net. And of course, let me know in the comments what you are doing with your blog and how you're moving forward, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.